Next, we'll be making soap. Okay, so I'm going to scale everything here in X direction. Sorry, scale in X direction. Good, I have something like this. So I'm going to add Control R to add a loop code. Good. And then G and Z. So I can have this shape that I want. Now I'm going to add a subdivision surface modifier. Good, so I have something like this. So I'm going to still go up a little. Good, so I have something like this. So I'm going to check the shape, going to up view, increase this to 2. Good, then scale it in Y direction, scale in Y direction. So we have something like this, and then you can also as well Shift A and then scale in Y direction. So you have something like this. And then we are going to scale this S in Z direction, scale it in Z direction. So we have something small like this. Yes. Thank you. G, it's good. So we have this in this form, in the form of soap. Yeah, so this look like soap. So we have our soap. Now I'm going to apply this. Go into edit mode. So we're going to select this particular one. Shift and Alt. Right click. And then we're going to bevel it. Good. And I'm going to extrude it along normals. Good. So we have our soap in this form. So let's add another subdivision surfaces. So we'll see how it looks like. Good. So our soap is smooth like this. Good. So this is a soap. And then we're going to shade smooth. Good, so this is a soap. So we have our soap, made up our soap. Now the next thing to do is to add a text to it. So I'll go to up view, Shift S, cursor toward origin, and then I'm going to add text, Shift A to add a text. Got a text here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to this text property. Good. Now go into this place, alignment left. I'll make it at the center, and then this top view middle. So my text is right in the middle. So we have our text like this. So I'm going to go into edit mode. I'll go into edit mode. So before, let me hide the cube. So go into edit mode and then type in whatever you want to type. So I'm going to type the name of this channel, MISTAMACOY. Good, so this is what I want to have. So I already type in. So I'm going to go into this is what we have. Good. So we're going to convert this text. Go into object and then convert right here to mesh. So I've converted it. Now when you go into edit mode, see how your text is looking at. So this is not looking good. So go into object mode to apply this modifier, then this make modifier. Good. Say it's showing you free count 375. So we go to play now, and then you see it has reduced to 16 count. We'll be using, so if you go to object mode, before you do that, you have to apply it. So apply it. Now go into object edit mode, you see it has reduced also. So let's select this. Good. So we're going to match this by distance. Good. Then go into this and then make it 0.01 is good. And then when you do that, you see a number of vertices it has reduced. Good. Now that we have this, and then we have this, emitter dissolves. So I've done this before, that's showing 10%. Press 7, top view, and then scale. Now to do this, I'm going to add a modifier called shrink wrap. Good, and then I'm going to make it click on the target and then put cube. Good, so you see this is how to add text to your object. Good, but as it is not looking good. So you go to wrap material and then click on project. Yes, and then click on the negative here. Good, so you have your text wrap on this soap. Now we need to do something. We can apply this and then add another modifier called solidify modifier to increase the depth. So we're going to increase this depth 0.2. Now we'll bevel it to make it smooth. We're going to apply this. Good. Now press on the cube. Let's apply this and then add this modifier. Sorry, not this. The Boolean modifier. Now set it to fast and then select the object as text. Good. When you have this, now you can go ahead and hide your text. Good. We'll solve this out. So you have something like this. Now let's add a bevel modifier. Good. And then make the segment 4 or 5. And then you can increase this 0.5. And then you have your text like this. Good. So we have your text